Ay, ito pala ang view sa umaga.
All the girls with pretty mouths, they always walk your way. They follow
Yan yung
you
banda
in
ng
cars
beach.
and bars and even on airplanes. I'm special, yeah, I'm special, cause they just don't got, oh, they just don't got what I've got. I'm someone you can take home to meet your mom and pa. I'm your trashy little
Mamaya ba
cupcake.
tayo
Dressed
maliligo
in
doon sa
polka
dagat? Kasi
dots, be a loudmouth Yankee
may
lady,
pimple pa
baby.
ako.
You're just the cowboy that I'm looking for.
Handa na kami mag-breakfast. Tingnan niyo yung view sa...
It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time. I wanna make it fast.
Yung ibang words nila dito, medyo magkaparehas sa Finnish. Halimbawa, yung saunad, tawag nila. Buffet.
The breakfast.
It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some.
So, Wednesday ngayon, pupunta na kami doon sa beach. So, nagdala kami ng blanket.
Hold it. Do that what you're doing.
Pupunta kami mag-beach, pero maano yung yung weather. So, okay lang, tingnan natin. Hindi ako sure kung mag-swimming kami. Pero okay lang. Dito lang sa may sa may hotel. Tapos lakad lang konti. So, ito yung start ng pathway papunta doon sa beach. So, tara. Kuya, look at that. So, dito tayo sa sa gitna ng daanan papunta sa beach. Ang ganda ng So, sa likod ko, ito yung hotel na Tervice Paradise. Dito kami nagstay. Ang ganda. So, dito pa tayo sa gitna. So, kailangan pa tayo maglakad doon, papunta doon. So, ang init ngayon, ang weather ngayon maganda kasi dumating si Mr. Araw. So, pwede tayong maligo. So, dala namin ito. Dito sa bag ko, meron akong damit. So, tara, mag-swimming na tayo kasi bukas uwi kami. Let's go.
It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time. You wanna make it last.
Oh, sing now to me, baby. Won't you sing to me your name? I've been looking for something crazy. I've been looking for something to tame my sinner still, my criticizing, my hopeless heart that just wants to come on. Yeah, I found you out.
Lahat dapat yung kinakain dito sa my beach is bibili kayo dito sa mga restaurant. May mga naman sila dito. May mga fast food sila. May pizza, mga ganyan.
Baby, you know I found you standing in the rain. You were holding a pound of heartache. Oh, you were wearing it like shame. Oh, if I told you once, I told you twice, I tell you 3 times. I ain't gonna walk away.
It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time. I wanna make it fast. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take a while. We wanna make it last.
So, nag-order kami ng camembert. Nasarap naman yung toasted bread nila. Toasted bread plus camembert cheese. One pa. How much was this? If kakain ka sa loob sa restaurant, masarap naman yung masarap. Maganda naman yung view nila doon. 14 euros to. Pero pag ilalabas mo, 13 euros. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang kumain sa labas. Gusto ko lang to ganito. Back to the hotel kami kasi malamig na at saka hindi kami naligo kasi walang masyadong hindi mainit yung panahon. Nag sunblock pa naman ako pero okay lang yan at maganda yung beach nila. Aray ko siguro siguro nga kasi weekdays hindi masyado madami ang tao. Lang. Yung tubig nila malamig. Ang lamig yung tubig. Tsaka medyo mababaw. Siguro kapag pupunta ka doon sa sa medyo gitna. Ang payapa. Ayan yung area. Outside slide yan. Pero ang dami pa sa loob.
Too broke to even fix it, and it's all that you got left. Oh, babe, I'll take the crumbs, I'll take the keys, I'll take anything you got. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time. We wanna make it fast. It's gonna
So,
take
dito kami sa
time to get
scooter.
there. It's gonna take a while. We wanna make it fast. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take a while. We wanna make it fast. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time. We wanna make it last.
But like, staying here for a long time? Are you sad if you...
So, dito kami sa server. Bibili kami ng kahit na anong iuwi sa bahay. So, bago. Ano laki naman ng mga ito?
I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym, talking at the bar till I walk in. Baby, why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need.
Since andito tayo sa Estonia, pupunta tayo sa Jägala Waterfalls. From Pärnu, it
2 hours.
at saka
Won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need.
so dito tayo sa Jägala Falls, dito lang sa may Tallinn, Estonia. So may free parking doon kung may kotse kayo, pero walang mga picnic nila dito. Parang bawal mag-picnic. Tapos mga less than 30 minutes siguro mako-consume yung tingnan yung waterfalls. Dito sa taas, tapos punta kayo sa baba. Pwede rin kayong pumunta doon sa kabila kapag ibang route yung napuntahan nyo.
Think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. So talk to me. Yap on the phone with your daddy till dawn. Fishing with your buddies, going on and on and on. Those fish hear more than me. Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type,
Check in.
Umuwian na. Check-in na tayo kahit mas maganda pag maaga.
You have arrived.
How's my driver? Are you tired? Masyado tayong maaga eh. We still have 2.5 hours to stay here before boarding.
Well, one point, maybe 2 hours. So maybe 1.5. No.
It's okay. I can sleep. Bye. Nine o'clock, nakarating na kami dito sa Finland. So, mamaya pa. Pagpatuloy natin yung video mamaya kasi lobat na ako. Salamat sa panonood.